Good morning, friends. Welcome to this new video of analytical paragraph. This is a new question which has been added to the writing skill section of English language paper. This is basically for 10th class. So, in this question, you will get a chart or a graph. You have to study the chart or a graph very carefully, very minutely, and then you have to write a paragraph which analyzes the entire condition of the topic as per the data given in the paragraph. So in this video, friends, I will tell you what is analytical paragraph, some features of analytical paragraph. Then we will study some uh, format of analytical paragraph, and then at last we will discuss tips of analytical paragraph, how to write an analytical paragraph. So let's begin. What is an analytical paragraph? Analytical paragraph is a descriptive composition which helps to elaborate the data or the amount of figures given in the chart or some kind of graph. So it is a detailed explanation of a given chart or given graph in the question. Students have to study that graph or chart minutely and very observe that chart very nicely, and then they have to write the paragraph as per the given data. This is what is analytical paragraph. Let's study some features of analytical paragraph. Analytical paragraph has got all the data of given chart. It has no personal comments. It should be elaborate in easy language. The word limit is 150 to 200 words of analytical paragraph. One should write this data explanation of data in such a way it should be easily understandable by the reader or the evaluator. There is a different vocabulary which is used to explain the comparison of data, to describe the growth of data. So these are the things which has to be mentioned in analytical paragraph. So let's study what is the use of analytical paragraph and how we can write this analytical paragraph. So let's study the format first. Analytical paragraph, first of all, you have to mention the subject of the graph given. Let's take, there is a graph given in the question of coronavirus, right? So this graph shows that how the coronavirus has been increased in all the states of uh, India from the last 6 months, and you have to explain the data in the analytical paragraph. So the subject would be coronavirus update or coronavirus growth in India from the last 6 months, something. Use relevant figures, make comparisons, explain trends, contrast, divide into subparagraphs in body. When you mention body, here you have to, in body part, you have to mention all the details of the data given in the paragraph. So you have to make comparisons. Like from the last 6 months, the coronavirus or COVID-19 has been increased in the states of Bihar very rapidly due to non-implement of the social distancing and following of guidelines. Right. So this is how we can mention. Then conclusion. Conclusion is the overall summary or a small summary of the paragraph where you will give the result, like how it will be ending or how it has to be decreased, something like that. So this is the format of analytical paragraph: introduction, body, and conclusion. This is how you have to write your paragraph. Now let's study some tips about analytical paragraph. Introduction. In the introduction part, I have mentioned some phrases which help you out to start the paragraph. Like the chart given above describes, the table suggests, the line graph shows, the pie chart illustrates. The pie chart illustrates the rapid increase of coronavirus in all the states of India. It has increased rapidly from the last 6 months. In fact, instead of increasing of this cases of COVID-19, we should work on reducing the number of cases by providing lots of medicines, or by guiding the people to follow social distancing and using masks when they expose themselves in public areas. So you can write these lines to introduce your paragraph, which will be giving an effective look or effective way to introduce a paragraph in your paper, and reader will also understand your vocab. Now, describing quantities. Here you have to make describe quantities, like 48% of cases comes from Delhi, because it's a capital of India, and there are a lot of people are emerging into this town due to their work, due to their uh, different tasks from the different culture, due to their business also. So this is how the it has been increased from the last 6 months in the states of Delhi, or in the places of Delhi. Then third of majority twice, like you can say that one third of the population is old people, those who are affected very easily by this virus. They should not come outside of their homes, so you can give suggestions. Now at last, describing trends, the pattern of growth. You have to see the pattern of growth and how it has been increased in different states or different places of India. Then you can use these words: rapidly doubled, peaked, soaring rates. So you can use these phrases which help. Now you have to mention some positive outcomes also. Like you can say that due to this pandemic, India has totally changed. The entire economy of India has been changed. Now India is focusing on make in India products, and which will help to give a great boom to the employment sector of India, and lots of youngsters will emerge into this uh, sector, and they will get a new job. They will get new jobs and new career. And I hope this pandemic will give a new lesson to India and lead India towards the path of progress, and make India a self-dependent nation. So this is how you can give some positive outcomes also. At last, nutshell, overall, subsequently, in short, therefore, these phrases are used to conclude the paragraph. In nutshell, I would like to say that yes, this pandemic has disturbed the entire economy, entire nation, entire world as well, but it has given a lesson to become us to become a self-dependent, and each individual of this nation has to become self-dependent person, so that they can be they can be a very successful person in their life. So in this you have to write these phrases and design a paragraph in such a way which will help you out to score good marks in exams. This has got this question has got of 10 marks question. You will get 1 mark for title, 4 mark for content, and another 5 for expressions and all. So this is how you have to write down this paragraph. So do remember, friends, introduction introduces the subject. Body has got all the details of given chart and all the comparisons. Do not write anything apart from chart. You have to mention the data, whatever the figures given in the chart only. Don't input any data or any figure from your end. You have to only mention the data or the numbers which are given in the paragraph. Don't go outside of it, and no personal comments or no personal views should be given. Whatever the given in the chart, you have to mention, and that's it. And the word limit of analytical paragraph is 150 to 200 words. So don't go beyond that. Keep your paragraph within 200 words only. At last, conclude your paragraph very nicely, but make your paragraph, write your paragraph in such a way the theme of your paragraph is should be positive. So it should mention that due to this pandemic also, after lots of highest figures of these cases, still India is moving ahead towards the path of growth. So these are some few tips from my end to write an analytical paragraph. Thank you very much friends for watching this video, and I'm sure you have liked these sessions of writing skill. I have uploaded all the videos of writing skill questions in the list. You can go to the list and fetch all the videos and study it, and I'm sure you will be getting a lot of help and a lot of information of writing skill section from the videos. And do share with your friends and loved ones. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest information of all the videos on your screen or on your cell phones, which will become handy for you. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day and happy learning.